The best keyword research tool depends on your specific needs and budget. Ahrefs is unmatched for in-depth backlink analysis and keyword accuracy, making it ideal for advanced users and large-scale SEO strategies. Semrush is a comprehensive all-in-one SEO suite, offering a wide range of features suitable for enterprise-level users needing versatile reporting and data-heavy strategies. Ubersuggest is the most accessible and cost-effective option, perfect for beginners and small businesses focusing on user-friendliness and budget-conscious growth. Consider your skill level, budget, and the depth of analysis required when choosing. Ahrefs excels in competitive analysis with its massive backlink database tracking over 14 trillion links, making it superior for uncovering competitor strategies. Semrush provides a broader range of data, including social media and PPC data, with AI-powered tools for intent-based keyword suggestions. Ubersuggest focuses on simplicity and ease of use, offering AI-driven content suggestions and a robust free tier for basic keyword research. For example, an e-commerce brand might use Semrush to identify high-volume keywords, while a startup blogger could leverage Ubersuggest to find low-competition keywords to drive initial traffic. An agency could use Ahrefs to analyze competitors' backlinks and increase client leads.